Hey, all my entrepreneurs, are you ready to tackle something important for your small business without shelling a lot of cash out for service? Well, today we're diving right into how to file the BOI report yourself with the FinCen. This new filing requirement started this year, but don't worry, it's totally something you can handle on your own. If you've ever set up a LLC or got your EIN number, this process will feel a little familiar. And guess what? You don't need to pay anyone to do this for you. Just like those other steps, filing the BOI report yourself is super, super easy. The Beneficial Ownership Information Report is a filing requirement introduced by the FinCen for small businesses. It ensures that the beneficial owners of the company are properly reported. Now, before you think that this is complicated, let me assure you it is just a matter of entering your information in and the company's information and also a little details about yourself. So there's no need to overthink it, okay? Let's move on to step one. Start by heading to the FinCEN's website. And we're going to go ahead and check for the BioE filing system. Since it's a government website with gov and HTTPS in the URL, you know it's legit. You'll be filing your report directly through the government platform, ensuring everything is safe and secure. Now, right here at the top, look for the file a report option, and here we go. Now, step two, you're going to choose how you want to file. Once you're on the BOI e-filing page, you have two options. Either download the PFD and fill it out, or file the BOI report online. Well, we're all about simplicity here, so let's go ahead for the online method. So when you click prepare and submit the BOI, you'll be taken to the page where the fund starts and begins. Now here we're going to start entering your information. Now you will need to enter some general details. For number one, filling the information. Now choose the initial report because it's your first time filing. So if you need to make updates later, you can edit and previous submissions. But for now, we're going to keep it simple. Now, here, reporting the company section is all about your business. Enter your LLC's official name, your EIN, and and your business address. If you don't have an EIN, no worries. I'll go ahead and put the link under this video. The company's applicant. If you're doing the filing for your own business, you'll be the company applicant. Just fill in your personal details here, like your birth date and your address and etc. Now we in the beneficial owners information. Right here, you'll need to list, the beneficial owners of your company. You're going to enter their personal information, including identification documents like a driver's license or a passport. And each individual beneficial owner needs to be added individually. So don't forget anyone who holds a significant stake in your company. For each owner, upload their ID as PNG files and fill in the required fields. Easy peasy, right? But make sure that the files that you upload, they do not say ID or identification. Name them something else, okay? So once you have completed everything, it's time to review and submit. Make sure all the details are correct, and when you're ready to check the little box confirming that you are authorized to submit the report for your business, then you should be good to go. You'll get a confirmation receipt that you can download and save, and it looks like this right here. And voila, yay, you just filed the BOI report yourself, just like a pro.